In the bustling world of project management, where countless tools promise to streamline workflows and boost productivity, it's easy to get lost in a sea of acronyms and feature lists. One name that has steadily gained recognition for its comprehensive approach is Nifty. But what exactly is a Nifty tool, and how does it fit into the broader project management landscape? As a project management expert, I see Nifty as an all-in-one workspace designed to centralize project management, team collaboration, and client communication. It's built with the philosophy that scattering your work across multiple applications, e.g., one for tasks, another for chat, a third for documents, leads to inefficiencies, lost information, and wasted time. Nifty aims to consolidate these disparate functions into a single, intuitive platform. Think of it this way. In project management, our core challenges often revolve around clarity, accountability, and communication. We need to know what needs to be done, who is doing it, when is it due, what's the current status, where are the relevant discussions and files. Nifty attempts to answer all these questions within a unified environment, reducing the tool-switching tax that many teams experience. Key components of the Nifty tool. Nifty's all-in-one claim is backed by a suite of integrated features. Let's break down the core components that make Nifty a valuable tool for project teams. Task management. At its heart, Nifty provides robust task management. You can create tasks, break them down into subtasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track their progress. What makes Nifty's task management particularly nifty, pun intended, is its flexibility in viewing tasks. You can switch between list view, a traditional organized list of tasks, Kanban boards, a visual workflow where tasks move through different stages, e.g., to do, in progress, review, done, ideal for agile teams. Timeline, Gantt chart view, a visual representation of project schedules, showing task dependencies and milestones, crucial for planning and tracking complex projects. Calendar view, for seeing tasks and deadlines in a calendar format. Milestones and roadmaps. Nifty allows you to define project milestones, which are key achievements or checkpoints. These milestones can be linked to tasks, and progress can be automated as tasks are completed. The roadmap feature provides a high-level visual overview of your project's journey, aligning the team and stakeholders on major goals and timelines. This is incredibly valuable for strategic planning and communicating progress to senior management or clients. Discussions and team chat. Communication is central to any successful project. Nifty integrates communication directly within the platform. You can have project-specific discussion threads, individual direct messages, and even convert messages directly into tasks. This keeps all project-related conversations contextual and easily searchable, preventing important decisions from getting lost in email inboxes. Docs and files. Nifty acts as a centralized repository for all project documents and files. You can create Nifty's native documents, similar to Google Docs, upload files, and even integrate directly with Google Docs. This ensures that everyone has access to the latest versions of project briefs, specifications, meeting notes, and creative assets, eliminating version control headaches. Workflows and automation. To reduce repetitive manual work, Nifty offers customizable workflows. You can define custom statuses for your tasks and set up automations, like if this, then that rules, to trigger actions when a task changes status or meets certain conditions. For example, when a task moves to in review, it could automatically assign a reviewer and notify them. Time tracking and reporting. For agencies or teams that bill clients by the hour, or simply need to monitor team productivity, Nifty includes built-in time tracking. Team members can log time spent on tasks, and project managers can generate reports to analyze project performance, workload distribution, and budget utilization. This transparency helps in resource allocation and client billing. Client and guest access. Nifty understands that projects often involve external stakeholders. It allows you to invite clients or guests to specific projects with controlled permissions, enabling seamless collaboration on tasks, documents, and discussions without exposing sensitive internal information. This is particularly useful for digital agencies or consulting firms. Who benefits most from Nifty? Nifty's comprehensive nature makes it suitable for a variety of teams and use cases. Digital agencies, managing multiple client projects, creative assets, and client communication in one place. Marketing teams, planning campaigns, tracking content creation, and collaborating on collateral. Product development teams, managing sprints, backlogs, and product roadmaps from ideation to launch. IT departments, handling tickets, managing system deployments, and tracking IT projects. Remote teams, its integrated communication and document sharing features are excellent for distributed workforces. Businesses seeking consolidation, any organization tired of juggling multiple subscriptions and tools, e.g., Asana for tasks, Slack for chat, Google Drive for files. The Nifty advantage. The primary advantage of a tool like Nifty is its ability to reduce context switching and fragmentation of information. By bringing core project elements together, it fosters better team alignment, enhances transparency, and ultimately contributes to more efficient project delivery. While no tool is a silver bullet, Nifty's commitment to an all-in-one experience provides a powerful foundation for effective project management in today's dynamic work environment.